Man, I'm glad I had my trusty light. I would have missed this one possibly. Down here. Still putting on my Quickset. Look at that. That's all I'm going to do on that patch right there with the Quickset. Because I scraped off everything and got this ready, it's going to just make the second coat go nice and easy. And now I can use my 6" up here, you know, and put that mud on just a little bit further. And I can start back here. That's going to make it look way better than what was up there before. Nothing. Remember why we're doing this? Because that corner bead was just showing like a sore thumb. Oh, that's why I'm coating this a second time with my Quickset. Second coat of Quickset. You can cover it with just a 3" if you want, but because it's so wide, you probably should use the 6. It's just that easy with the Quickset. Just like to put 2 coats on everything. I can see that there is some low spots in it. And this will just let the skimming material go on that much nicer when I get ready to do it. Gotta first finish my Quickset. See, the 3" knife can work in certain areas. And that's why I carry my 3" knife with me. And I could use, like I said, a 4". And, you know, even for an area like this, I could do the 3", but, you know, hey, if you got the 6, you might as well use that. Of course, it depends. If I was just doing a little bit like this over that one little spot, I may not have to go any further than that. And if I was having to patch the wall and not skim it, let's say I'm going to spray texture it or skip trowel it later, I wouldn't necessarily have to go any further than just that line, you know, on that particular area. So each little bit that you end up doing, you're going to have to kind of think about what it is you're covering. Are you covering the tape? Yes, of course, if you're covering tape, you'd have to go out further. But in this case, we're only covering an indentation in the existing sheetrock. It did not go all the way through. Now, if there was tape there, of course, I couldn't do just the width of the tape. I'd have to go to the right, to the left, and make the patch out about this far. Okay? So remember that. Now I've got the hump I've got pretty much gone away with. And we're putting the second coat of Quickset on here now. Let's see, I have to go to the right a little bit further and to the left. I want to get plenty on there, because then we're basically going to be assured that we're not only covering the tape, we're covering the bulge over the tape. You've got to trick the eye. And the only way to trick the eye is to put additional mud on to the left and to the right of the tape. See how your patch is going to be bigger now. And because we were trying to blend that in, I'm going to put a little bit more over there. And I've got to put some down here and over that. Light touch on there and get it that smooth. And that's it with the Quickset. We'll cover the rest after that with the all-purpose joint compound. What we're going to do, I'm going to use a bigger knife then, and I'm going to go out even further. We're going to go over this entire area, and it's not even going to look like there was a bulge there. That's how you do it. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.